Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Vimeo Live for course broadcasts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Vimeo Live for course broadcasts, start by logging into your Vimeo account. Navigate to the videos section from the main dashboard. Select the live option from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Live Event button. Give your live event a title relevant to your course. Set the date and time for your broadcast. Choose between public, private, or unlisted for your event's visibility. For a private event, invite participants by adding their emails. In the Settings section, configure your stream quality based on your internet speed and audience needs. Locate the stream URL and stream key for your live broadcast. Open your streaming software, such as OBS Studio or Wirecast. Under the settings in your streaming software, input the stream URL and stream key from Vimeo. Customize your stream settings, including resolution and bitrate. Add your course materials, presentation slides, or video clips to your streaming software. Run a quick test to ensure the audio and video are working properly. Once everything is set, return to your Vimeo Live event page. Click on the Go Live button in your streaming software. Monitor the stream health on your Vimeo dashboard during the broadcast. Engage with your audience through live chat features if enabled. After your broadcast, stop the stream in your streaming software. Return to your Vimeo account to review analytics and engagement insights. You have now successfully configured and executed a live course broadcast using Vimeo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.